Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use high-low gear. High-low gearing systems are designed to give your vehicle greater versatility across various terrains and tasks. Essentially, you get two sets of gears, one for power and one for speed. Understanding when and how to engage each range can significantly improve your driving experience, whether you are navigating challenging off-road trails or cruising on open roads. It's all about optimizing your vehicle's performance for the specific situation at hand. Low range, often labeled 4L or 2L, is your go-to for situations demanding serious power and control at low speeds. Think about crawling over large rocks, descending very steep grades, or pulling a heavy trailer up an incline. This setting multiplies your engine's torque, allowing for much slower, more controlled movement without excessive throttle input. It reduces the stress on your transmission and provides superior traction in challenging conditions, making tough tasks much easier. High range, typically labeled 4H or 2H, is what you'll use for most of your driving. This setting is designed for higher speeds and general road use, including highways and less demanding off-road paths. It allows your vehicle to operate efficiently, providing a good balance of speed and fuel economy. When you are not facing extreme obstacles or heavy loads, high range ensures a comfortable and responsive driving experience, perfect for daily commutes or long journeys. Shifting between high and low range requires a specific procedure to prevent damage to your drivetrain. Generally, you should bring your vehicle to a complete stop, place the transmission in neutral, and then engage the desired range. Some vehicles might allow shift on the fly for high range, but always stop for low range. Listen for a positive engagement, and then proceed. Following these steps ensures smooth transitions and prolongs the life of your vehicle's components, keeping you safe on any adventure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.